Morning children. Today also we are going to continue the same chapter 9, rational numbers. Okay, let us start today's topic, rational numbers between two rational numbers. So first we will see that rational numbers between integers. Let us take the example minus 3 and plus 3. You know that minus 3 and plus 3 are integers only. Yes. So in between, how many numbers are there? How many integers are there? Minus 2 is there. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2. If you having doubt, you can check the number line itself. Then 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here also 1, 2, 3 will consider. So between minus 3 and plus 3, how many integers are possible? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Between only, so the first and the last will not be counted, right? So here when we are considering for integers, it is limited. It is limited because minus 3 and a plus 3 only we are considered. So you have seen that minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So how many we got? 5. 5 we got. 5 integers are lie between minus 3 and plus 3. So we can say that the number of integers between minus 3 and plus 3 are limited. Limited number of integers we can see. Integers, right? Now the second example. Now again one next example, minus 1 and 1 both are integers only. Now how many integers are lie between them? So 0 is the only integer lie between minus 1 and 1. 0 is the integer lie between minus 1 and 1. Now let us see how many rational numbers are possible in between minus 1 and 1. Okay. Minus 1 and 1, we have to find out how many rational numbers between minus 1 and 1. So just to see for one rational number, we can write that minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2, it is 0 by 2, 0. 0 is an integer. At the same time, it can be expressed in the form p by q. So it is a rational number, right? So now I have got only one rational number. Now let us see, minus 1 can be written as minus 1 by 1, right? Now minus 1 by 1 can be making the denominator as a 10, means numerator also 10. Now 1 I can write 1 by 1. Now I'll write 1 by 10. Sorry, 10 by 10. 1 can be written as 10 by 10. So in between how many rational numbers are possible? I can write from minus 9 by 10, minus 8 by 10, minus 7 by 10, minus 6 by 10, minus 5 by 10, minus 4 by 10. Next, minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, like that. Or you can write 1 by 10, 0 by 10, right? Up to 9 by 10 I can write, right? So these many rational numbers are lie between. They lie between minus 1 and 1. First, what we have calculated? Only one rational number, that is 0. 0 is also integer only. All integers are rational number. Now we got 1. We want to change how many rational numbers are possible. Just by changing the equivalent rational number rule, we change the denominator as a 10. Now we have seen that these many rational numbers are lie between the given number minus 1 and 1. Now just now we have taken as minus 1 and 1 only the number, and we have made the denominator as a 10. Now see, minus 1 can be written as minus 1 by 1. Again I am changing the denominator as 20. So 20 means here we have multiplied with 20. That means it is equal to minus 20 by 20, right? Similarly, 1 means 1 by 1. Again I want to make it as a 20, so numerator became 20. Now in between, we'll write now the rational numbers lie between minus 20 by 20 and 20 by 20 are, from where it will start, minus 19 by 20, minus 18 by 20, minus 17 by 20, like that it will be continued. Now after that somewhere it will be minus 1 by 20, 0 by 20, then 1 by 20, again it will be continued up to 18 by 20, 19 by 20, right? Because here minus 20 starts, so minus 19, minus 18, minus 17, up to minus 1 by 20, all the negative numbers we have considered. Now 0 we have considered, then positive numbers up to 20 only, so 1 by 20, 18 by 20, 19 by 20. Last time when it was 10, there we have seen that minus 9 by 10 we have started and plus 9 by 10 we have completed, like that. Here minus 19 by 20 and they ended with 19 by 20. Again I'll go for this one, minus 1 equal to my denominator is minus 1 by 1. Again you have to make it as 100. So the numerator is minus 100, right? Next 1 equal to 1 by 1. Again we can change the denominator as 100, means numerator is 100. So the rational numbers lie between minus 100 by 100 and 100 by 100 are, from where it will start, minus 99 by 100, minus 98 by 100, minus 97 by 100, etc. like this. It will go for minus 1 by 100, 0 by 100, 1 by 100, again it will go for 99 by 100. So many numbers we are getting. So what is the conclusion we are getting from this one? Means as many as rational numbers we can find between two rational numbers. What is the conclusion we can find? We can find unlimited number of rational numbers between the given two rational numbers. We can find unlimited number of rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Any two given rational numbers we can find unlimited, that means many. Let us see further examples, you can understand more clearly. Next question, find four rational numbers between should be added between minus 3 by 5 and minus 2 by 5. Just to see that minus 3 by 5 and minus 2 by 5 are consecutive numbers only. We have to find four rational numbers in between them. We can go for decimal way then, but it is to be rational number only. So we can go for equivalent rational number method. Let us see this way. Minus 3 by 5, if we are making the denominator as a 10. So what we should multiply here into 2. So here also 2. So minus 6 by 10 I'll get, right? Now minus 2 by 5 we are making the denominator 10, means it is 2, and here also 2. So minus 4 by 10. Now see, question is asked for four rational numbers. If you consider the denominator as a 10, how many rational numbers are lies between minus 6 by 10 and minus 4 by 10? It is only minus 5 by 10, right? Only minus 5 by 10 lie between lie between minus 6 by 10 and minus 4 by 10. Now it is not satisfied with our question because they asked for 4. So what we have to supposed to do means we should increase the denominator. Here we have done 10 only. So the next number we have to go 10's multiples we can use. Otherwise which is the common multiples of 5 we can take, because here denominator is same. So let us try with the denominator as a 50 now. Minus 3 by by 5, I'm making as 50 as a denominator. So I should multiply it with the 10 in the denominator, means numerator also. So minus 30 by 50. Similarly, minus 2 by 5, I have to make it as 50, means we have to multiply with the 10. Here also 10. So what will happen here? Minus 20 by 50. So which concept we have used here? Equivalent rational number, right? Now see that in between minus 30 and minus 20 by 50 as the denominator, how many rational numbers we can write? See that minus 29 by 50, minus 28 by 50, minus 27 by 50, minus 26 by 50, minus 25 by 50, and minus 24 by 50, minus 23 by 50, minus 22 by 50, next minus 21 by 50. See, these many numbers are lies between minus 20 by 50 and minus 30 by 50. Have you seen that? They lie between these numbers. These rational numbers lie between minus 30 by 50 and minus 20 by 50. So they lie between minus 3 by 5 and minus 2 by 5. See, this is example only. So for understanding the concept we are telling now. So first we have considered with the 10. We are able to find out only one rational number. So that is not the solution. Question is asked for 4 rational number. What we have done? We have changed the denominator to 50. So here also it is a minus 20 by 50 and here minus 30. In between these many rational numbers you have seen. If from this any 4 you can take down. Suppose anybody wants to write minus 29 by 50, minus 28 by 50, minus 27 by 50, minus 26 by 50. We can write and we can finish. Either this side anybody wants to write, that is also correct. Only otherwise any 4 you can pick out and you can write. But when you are writing, you should conclude that they lies between minus 30 by 50 and minus 20 by 50. So they lies between minus 3 by 5 and minus 2 by 5. So just we change the denominator, we are able to find more rational numbers between the same given rational number. Find 10 rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 1 by 5. Let us start the solution and see how many it is possible. They are asked for 10. So 1 by 3 and 1 by 5. So 1 by 3 and 1 by 5 compared to the last question. What is the difference here? We can see the denominator is different. That time we should go for LCM method. LCM is 15 only here. So the first I'll try for 15 means what will happen? Here it is 15 means we should multiply with the 5 and here also 5. So 5 by 15. Now 1 by 5 means it is 15 here means it is just 3 we have to multiply. So 3 by 15. So if we consider the 15 as the denominator, we are able to find only one, that is 4 by 15. Right? Only one we are able to find. But the requirement is 10 only. So what we should go for? The multiples of 15 we can try. The 15 means the next multiple is 30. Let us see 30 means what will happen. 1 by 3 became 30 now means it is 10 multiplication. So 10 by 30. And similarly 1 by 5 became 30 means it is 6 by 30. So in between 6 by 30 and 10 by 30, how many possible for us? It is 7 by 30, 8 by 30 and 9 by 30. Still our requirement is not satisfied. That means you have to make the bigger denominator. So what we should do means let us try for 9d now. So 1 by 3 equal to 9d here. So the 30 is the multiplication factor. So here also 30. So 30 by 90. Now 1 by 5 is also we can make it into 90. That means 18 is the factor. Here also 18. So 18 by 90 we got. So we got our number is 30 by 90 and 80 by 90. So in between how many numbers are the possible? So the rational numbers lie between 18 by 90 and 30 by 90 are. Between 30 by 90 are, what are the number? 19 by 90, 20 by 90, 21 by 90, 22 by 90, 23 by 90, 24 by 90, 25 by 90, 26 by 90, 27 by 90, 28 by 90, 29 by 90. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 we got, right? So only one you can exclude, the remaining everything to be written. So we have written this for 18 by 90 and 30 by 90, right? So but the question is asked for 1 by 3 and 1 by 5 only. So we should conclude the answer. Therefore these numbers, they also lie between, I have written 18 by 90 is first, so corresponding number is 1 by 5 and 30 by 90 is 1 by 3. This is the answer, right? So as many as number is asked, we have to increase the denominator. Here we increase the denominator to 90, then only we are able to find out the 10 rational numbers. When we reduced our denominator, we are unable to find 10 rational numbers. That means if we increase the rational number, we are able to find more rational numbers between the given rational numbers. Find 5 rational number between minus 5 by 3 and minus 7 by 5. Here negative numbers we have taken, negative rational numbers, and the denominator is different. Either you can make for the denominator as a 15 or the bigger number. So let us try for, because it is 5, so let us try for 30 as the denominator. So minus 5 by 3 equal to 30 means what is the multiplication factor? 10. So into 10 here, so it will be minus 50 by 30. Again minus 7 by 5, 30 means what is the multiplication factor? 6. So minus 42. So this is the new number for us. One is minus 50 by 30, minus 42 by 30. So the rational numbers lie between minus 50 by 30 and minus 42 by 30 are minus 49 by 30, minus 48 by 30, minus 47 by 30, minus 46 by 30, minus 45 by 30, minus 44 by 30, and minus 43 by 30, right? Because minus 42 is here and minus 50 is here. 43 is attempted, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. But we need only 5, right? We need only 5. We have listed out 7 here, 3, 6, 7 here. Any 5 we can write or lie between, they are like this we got. But still our question is not completed. Therefore, they also lie between, I have written which number first? Minus 50 by 30. So correspondingly minus 5 by 3 and minus 7 by 5. We can conclude the answer like this. So what is the point we have learned here? What is the point we have learned here? That is, we can find unlimited. We can find many numbers, many rational numbers between any two rational numbers. So this is important point you have to study from here. We can find many rational numbers between any two rational numbers. So for this question, what is the point we have to, we can find by changing the denominator, and we will write like this. After that, we should bring back to the question itself. So that is why this line is also important. They also lie between minus 5 by 3 and minus 7 by 5. Find a rational number exactly halfway between minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. Half means it's average only. So first solution minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. So the rational number exactly halfway between minus 1 by 3 and plus 1 by 3 equal to minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 divided by 2. That is, both are opposite sign, it will get cancelled. 0 by 2 equal to 0, right? Now what is the second question? This is the first question, right? Now the second question, halfway between 5 by minus 13 and minus 7 by 9. So equal to, what is that one? 5 by minus 13 means minus 5 by 13 plus minus 7 by 9 whole divided by 2, right? So minus 5 by 13 into, what is LCM now? 13 into 9, right? So 13 into 9, we have to take the LCM. So the numerator should be multiplied with 9 and plus minus 7 to be multiplied with 13. Again denominator 2 is there, so the 2 will come here, right? So minus 45 minus 91, then 13 into 9 into 2. So what is the answer here? Means minus 136. If you multiply, you will get here 234. This is the number. So what we are taken, minus 5 by 13 plus minus 7 by 9, you will get the denominator as minus 13 into 9 only. Again divide by 2, that is 2 by 1 means into 1 by 2 will get in the denominator only it is. So your answer is minus 136 by 234. So this is the answer. It is exactly halfway between 5 by minus 13 and minus 7 by 9. This is the only one question we have to explain here. One more time I'll explain what is the step there. Minus 5 by 13 plus minus 7 by 9 whole divided by halfway. That means it is 2 by 1, right? So minus 5 by 13 plus minus 7 by 9. This 2 by 1 can be written as into 1 by 2. What is LCM now here? 13 into 9. Again minus 5 to be multiplied with 9 plus minus 7 to be multiplied with 13. So into 13 will come, and here into 2 is the, so numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator will get. So after simplification it is minus 136 divided by 234. This is also one of the question based on this only, because it is exactly halfway, that is whole sum divided by 2. So we got the answer for these two questions also. With this today's class I am winding up. Practice more, and it is also good chapter only for learning. Thank you.